everyone, welcome back. Our topic for this lecture is cloud deployment and management services. So when we talk about cloud management services, we come across number of companies which provide you with cloud services. So cloud is management of cloud is not like managing a normal data center in your premises. So you need to combine and use high-end features or applications to get best out of your cloud. So there are some number of some companies which help you in performing this. So I will tell you about those companies. I think most of you are aware about those companies. So Amazon EC2 is one of them. Amazon Elastic, Beanstalk, then CloudShare. You have CloudShare Pro, Fujitsu, HP. Then we have Nimbus. So there are a number of others. So we also have Azure. We also have Google. Okay, so these all are the cloud deployment and management services which we can use to deploy a cloud in either in a public way or in a private. So for private, VMware helps you a lot. So now the next topic, this is all about the cloud deployment and management services. Now let us move to the application services. So in application services, the all the applications which are delivered to you through your HTTP browser, or you can say your internet browser, works as your application services. So these application services include all the type of on-demand softwares, applications, as well as the video streaming which you do online. So all that those things are included in your application services. So application services can provide you with softwares, that with video streaming and all that stuff. Okay, so there are a number of public platforms or public clouds which are available for this. You can also use private cloud to fetch that data. So we are having some of the cloud applications which are broadly divided into certain categories. Some of them are like online file storage systems, your photo editing softwares, your digital video softwares, your spreadsheets which you use. Prezi is a software which is used to make online presentations. So any e-commerce websites like which help you to create a e-commerce website like Shopify. So these all are the examples of application services. Now let us talk about the next, that is identity and access management. Now identity and access management is something in which you are going to get a every user who is an authentic user should be given with a identity, and there are identity management services which are present on internet, and they provide you with security features. They assign you with some keys which you with your individual identity, and they keep the record of that entity. Identity and management tools all include password management, their provisioning softwares. They can enforce the security, they can perform the reporting and monitoring of apps, but it is not only limited to this. So they also include your API security, means which you are using inside your B2B applications or B2B businesses. So it helps you to protect all those APIs as well. It also uh, can help you to identify your customers, and it also works in your identity analytics. It can also provide you with identity as a service, which we generally talk about as IDaaS, identity as a service. You can use it at that place. So these all are the things which are related to identity access management services. Okay, so there are IAM servers which are in your Google GCP as well. So they help you to uh, put IAM in place in GCP as well. So it provides you the security. That is the main part of IAM services. Then the next one is storage services. So these are all the uh, storages which you use, like your Google Drive and all that stuff. So which provides you or helps you to host or store your files online. Now, Google Drive is one, iDrive is one. So you are having number of such services, like Mediafire is there. So you have plenty of examples regarding this. There are certain websites on which you will be able to upload your files temporarily, or upload your photographs temporarily, or host your photographs for temporary work. So you can do that as well. So they all provide you with storage services, and there are certain features which include which are included in your storage services. So it includes, like, we have backups. They need to provide you with the backup. They perform the disaster recovery, means if your data is lost, they will recover it. They help you to share the files among number of people. If you have ever used Google Drive, Google Drive is very easy to share, and along with Google Drive you are also having uh, Google Forms, as well as your Google Docs, Google Sheets or spreadsheets. So you can all use it to work in a collaborative manner. So you need not to send the files from to and forth to fetch some data. So these storage services help you to create a collaborative work experience for your organization. Then we have monitoring services. Now, these monitoring services help you to manage the activity on your cloud. So they help you to automatically acquire the resources, or you can say you can, there is any problem, whenever there is any problem in any kind of your system, they will automatically inform you about it. Okay, so there are some managed monitoring systems which will automatically manage to find the failures and give a notification to their, you can say, admins, that there was some problem in this particular system, and you can work to, you can say, overcome that particular problem. We will talk about the fog computing in next lecture. Thank you so much.